Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 103 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are doing exercise 152 in our new section on repeated notes.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So exercise 152 plays around with these repeated notes and these two-note slurs. And Marchesi writes, in these exercises, the repeated note should be slightly aspirated, ha-ha, in order to make it quite clear. But this aspiration should be carefully avoided in the scales and other exercises. I know, there was a dramatic pause because I'm thinking how I would do this. All right, let's just give it a try. Let's give it a go and let's decide if it needs to be aspirate or not. So you hear that? Da da na 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 na. Okay, so does that really need to be aspirate? Let's try it aspirate. No. Okay, it doesn't need to be aspirate. It shouldn't be glottal. It shouldn't be attacked. It shouldn't be, that doesn't feel good, but it also doesn't feel good to go, feels a lot better. That's a clean onset. I just don't agree. So there, don't agree. So give that a try. If you think aspirates are good, let me know in the comments. I don't think it's necessary. If that's the only way you can do it, then I don't know what I have to say to that. I'm not saying it's wrong, but I'm saying you might want to develop the other one so that there is no air leakage. It's going to serve you really well if you don't have that extra air leakage and you are able to do that without squeezing, of course. So double check and see where you're at with that.